Hey, I'll just recommend you to stop working now. If you're in the laptop, I mean for if you're working for too long, just guess that it's too long. It's so hurtful to your brain. Even me, I'm having a severe headache now. But I don't know why, but I'm still making this video just for you and what to do about this. Why working? Why working is so overwhelming for you? Because I recommend you watching this video. However, I watched a video from PBS. Maybe it's all about that how nature can affect your brain, and over there it's talk about a people to count from backwards 10,000 to 0. 10,000 to 0, yeah. After it, his brain was like, after it, the neuroscientist actually tell him to go to a nature environment, greeny environment. That time, as he just walked those trees and everything, his brain was like amazing, super productive and super energetic. But why do we actually consume so much energy from nature? And why do we feel so lazy after school? Watch this video. Well, I recommend you to watch this video because you decide to do your homework after school, but you couldn't study after school because you were just kind of tired. You're so tired, and that's why you couldn't accomplish your homework. But why we get tired? We get tired because just spending too much words. Right now I'm speaking to you. You are consuming my energy because I'm speaking to you and I'm burning my energy to speak, to give you enough knowledge to share this video to everyone. Alright, so YouTube is the platform to share. I'm sharing this to you. That's why I'm feeling so much tired, because it's completely empty for me. But I will shift your energy in 10 seconds. Countdown ahead. Just say, clasp your hands, put your hands on your laps, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for 10 seconds. I mean, don't count it. I will count it. You not gonna count it. It's super tested by me. Focus on your breath. Feeling so much energetic than before, because at that time I was acting so much tired, but now I feel so energetic. And that is the method. When you just close your eyes, you save 80% of your energy. When you clasp your hands, you save 10% off your energy. When you cross your legs, you save 10% off your energy. Totally, you save 100% off your energy. That time you get cosmic energy and you save it. But actually, when you go to school, when you go to office, you talk too much, you just attack unnecessary items, and that why you feel so tired. And that is the reason about brain. Your brain works so much and didn't go ahead. Now, what's the connection of nature? Our eyes love green. Our eyes love green so much. When you stare at green, you feel comfort. And that's why most of the professionals ask you to wear green clothes, because it gives you actually comfort on your eye. And it's so aesthetic. When you enjoy the nature, you stare at green, that time you feel so connected to nature. And we are built by 5 elements: water, air, fire, I forgot, blah 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 blah, or whatever. I'm not here to teach you Ayurvedic science, but I'm here to teach you why your brain actually get tired. That is the reason your brain actually get tired. Get some water, do this thing, and you'll feel super energetic in 10 seconds. Thank you so much. Bye. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe if this work. If this doesn't work, I don't recommend you to do that. Bye.